So lots of people are familiar with decarbing flower to make edibles and topicals. But if you want your infusions to really pack a punch, or if you just have some extra dabs laying around, you should try decarbing with concentrates. Check out our rosin decarb and learn about how you can kick up your infusions a notch and have a lot of fun while doing it. Today we're using Mammoth Live Rosin, a top quality concentrate, and this strain, Scooby Snacks, has over 68% THC after decarb. We're going to use the double lifter for decarb, and because it already comes in a glass container, we can just put it right on the lifter and inside. It's THC, we're going to activate on A1 setting, and when the cycle's done, pull it out, and we have fully activated rosin. And since this is so potent after decarb, we're going to do an infusion with some extra virgin olive oil just so we can control the dose and make sure we're taking this over 600 milligrams and can easily blend it with all of our snacks. And the great thing about concentrates is that you're not going to strain it afterwards. You're just heating enough to blend it together. After the infusion setting, the world's your oyster of what you want to mix and blend this with. We made a really delicious and simple carrot and hummus snack. And you know, I'm going to enjoy it. It's going to give me the perfect relief and pick me up to get on to all the things I have to accomplish today. Come check us out at artandcannabis.com.